Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wafro Media channel. My name is Amarachi and I am the handler for this channel. In this video, we are going to be speaking with a chief of the Igbo culture on the New Yam Festival. I hope that this video is educative and enlightening, not just for me, but for you all out there, not just in Nigeria, but also Nigerians in diaspora who want to learn more about the Igbo culture. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
My name is Chief Sir Chinedu Magubulem Ayozie Kesa. My dear brothers and sisters, I want to discuss with you one of Igbo custom that is dear to our heart. It's called in English new-yam festival ceremony. In Igbo land, it's called Iri-Ji or Iri-Ji. In Nigeria, it's mainly carried out in the 5 eastern states, including Delta State and River State. Before Iri-Ji festival is carried out, communities always carry out clean exercise of all the farm paths and routes to make sure everywhere is clean. The festival mainly is to thank God for a good planting season and harvest, bumper harvest of yam. That's it. It brings to an end the planting season and the beginning of the harvesting season. Yeah. During the yam festival activity, which is carried out at the family level, at village level, town level, and now state level, yams are roasted, not cooked, they are roasted and then served with red palm oil with oil green tree, and then people use palm wine to wash it down. The head of the family call people together, they pray, and then thank God for keeping them alive during the planting season and now the harvesting season. They thank God for blessing them with good harvest, bumper harvest. They eat and drink. This same thing is replicated at the village level, at the state level, and recently a lot of colors added to it, where cultural dances. Award is given to best cultivators of yam. And in Igbo land, those awards are given to people who harvested the biggest number of yam tubers, and they are called Iri-Ji. Iri-Ji in today's palace. You can see them in different parts of Igbo land. People answering Iri-Ji, which shows that their father or grandfather or great-grandfather made mark in the production of yam. It is a period the Igbos come together, even those in the spirit, they visit home with their wives and children. They come and celebrate this great occasion with a lot of fanfare. Now, special lectures are delivered at the state level with professors, experts in agriculture, on how to enhance not only yam development but other agricultural produce. The Igbos don't joke with this festival. because they believe if it's not done, maybe the next year they will not have bumper harvest. So it's a period they enjoy and thank God for their lives during planting season and the bumper harvest they are reaping. It has become now a unifying force whereby development programs and plans are articulated and canvassed for the greater Igbo nation as far as agriculture is concerned. So when you see people answering this age, you will know that their parents or their grandparents have made mark, serious mark in the production of land, which is the king of crops. In conclusion, we want to let our junior ones know, the young generation who can now go into mechanized agriculture to enhance yam production. That is not only to feed the family, the yam production now is highly commercialized. And you can be a multi-millionaire in the production of yam. But you owe the Igbo nation a duty to celebrate it, which normally takes place in the months of August and September. I wish you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
I hope you enjoyed that talk given by Chief Chinedu Ayozie on New Yam Festival. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, you can share the video with your friends and family so that they can learn more about the Igbo culture. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because more topics on the Igbo culture definitely is coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Until I see you in the next one. Bye for now.